Hello, in this video I'm gonna talk about some issues with water simulation that I faced using water plugin from Epic Games. I'm not gonna talk about all of them, only popular ones and ones that I didn't find solved on Epic forums. So after installing water plugin and navigating to engine content, plugins content, and water content, fluid simulation blueprints, we have BP Fluid Sim 01. That's the main blueprint that mm, presents water simulation. So I'm adding it here, making it visible, show simulation mesh, and making it not to follow player. If it will be checked, then on start of simulation, your plane will locate somewhere where your player is. So for now, I disable it and will enable it later. I already added my own plane, so I will navigate to it. Here it is. And now I'm going to example folder and drag dynamic force component onto the scene, making it visible, increasing its radius. Here it is, our force. And now, after simulating, I expect that water simulation will work. So I run project in simulation mode. And nothing happens. Now let's talk why. In my case, it doesn't work because my landscape is a height map, and my plane is located at minus 8000 Z. But water simulation using this plugin works only when this water plane is located somewhere near 0 by Z. So let's make it 0, and we will also move our force to 0. Now when I will simulate, it will work. So how can we fix this? The most simple fix is to move all your map above, so that your water body will have Z equal to 0. But for me, it wasn't a variant because it's very hard to move all of my actors above. So I will return my ball down to minus 880 and the plane minus 880. Oh, I forgot minus. Here it is. So to make it work on any Z value, we should open blueprint for our sim plane, and I will disable simulation and navigate to draw dynamic force function. Here it is, draw dynamic force in the middle of functions. We need this part where set vector parameter value functions are placed. Here we don't need this node, and we break component location and making a new vector. X and Y remain the same, but Z will be this Z minus grid center Z, like this. And now it will work on any Z with any Z values that we have. So let's try it. Let me find. I thought that okay, I will put it back. Oh, I changed the location during simulations. That's the issue. So let's simulate again. And it works perfectly, even on ZZ. So let's stop simulation and talk about another issue with character following. In a big amount of tutorials, it said that we should increase simulation world size to a very big amount, but I don't think that's a good idea. Let me put this plane below my water and hide it. Also, I will make it follow my player. And let's try this. My player has some spheres like this attached to him. So that should work, but with some issues. Okay, it's working, but not perfectly. Like if we will rotate, um, the path below us will rotate also. And that's the main issue. So how can we fix it? Also, make sure that you didn't rotate your fluid sim mesh. Its rotation must be 0, 0, 0. In other case, you will have some bugs. Okay, to fix it, we will again open our blueprint and navigate to, I don't remember. I will type and find result follow player and let's see what it makes. We are opening grid movement function. So here it is located, our follow player. And what we need to fix is not take a camera location, but take a pawn location. So we will take pawn, get its location, and we wanna that location of our plane to stay the same. We don't wanna change that location of our plane with character, so we break this vector, break plane vector, and make a new one. Make vector z from a plane and x and y from our pawn. And this one vector can already be connected to selection false. Oh, no. This one vector should be connected to selection true. Yes, right. And actor location should be connected to selection false. and that may fix everything for us. Let's try it. Yeah, now I rotate and it doesn't rotate with me. The path is just following us. Yeah, for me it's look fine. And one thing I would like to mention is that this fix only works good with Ripple Solver. With shallow water, it also fix some issues. Like you will see effect of shallow water, but it may cause some artifacts. So that's all for this video. Hope it will help someone.